Hello guys, it's Donnie
and Yutong here.
And today we're gonna take you for a walk in underground. And as you can see, we're starting our journey at Kennington Station, and let's see how busy it is.
Kennington. Change here for northbound Northern Line service via Bank from platform 3. The next station is Waterloo. This station is Leicester Square. Change here for Waterloo Line.
Some exemptions apply, which may not be visible or obvious, and you may see some customers wearing an exemption badge. Thank you.
So as you can see guys, London Underground is very empty, and if you wonder how it looks outside on the central streets, stay tuned for our next video where we will take you for a walk in London Chinatown and Soho.
Hi guys, thank you for coming for this short walk today at London Underground. As you expected, it was not busy at all. If you enjoyed this walk, please smash the like button, subscribe, and we're gonna see you at our next video. Bye!
Bye!